guys, topic: how can make perfect and each team member. That I think as a leader, every field, and as a leader take and risk, because I have to go and top management as a MD. Now in the banking sector, it's my grade is M5 and associate vice president, and I have resigned and goes in another companies, banking sector to NDFC, uh, as a senior area head. Just करना चाहता I want future level of future MD mindset. That is my powerful. You want every team member to be and perfect. You want to grow in banking sector, and you are moving on the toward senior area head role like HDFC Bank in a similar line, similar level and institution. You want to reach and top management, MD level. Let me guide you practically. First, true, no team member is perfect. As a leader, your job is not to make and everyone perfect. Your job is to make and the average and the employee and the productive. Make good employee is excellent, and make excellent employee is leader, right? Yes, if I try to control, I try to control and everything, you will get in the stretch. And if I build system, and you will I will and become a top management. Just second is how to build perfect and the thinking team. Set the daily system. Already I set the daily system in 15 minutes in every morning, 15 minutes in the meeting. Fix a target per person, call and meeting and revenue. Ask what is your plan today, and I make a plan, I make a strategy, I make ask the follow up and calls. Be no emotional. It's no emotional reaction. Only data. Instead of why zero and business, how many calls, how many meetings, how many objection, how many what support needed. And third is already I divided it all team member, make a three categories in team: performer and average and passive. Give performance recognition, and average training, and passive in deadline. Deadline is the for improvement, right? MD mindset in decision in the making. How third is how you become MD and label and a leader. What is the difference, right? MD is not a designation. MD is a thinking level, right? I need 5 qualities. I need 5 qualities. Risk taking. I already have it. Emotional control. Even if the branch is 0 at 1 p.m., my face and must and so confidence. It's all the staff is sitting in 0, 1 and 1 p.m. and 2 a.m. As a leader, as a MD, my face must be very confidence. Market, market presence. Go market 2 days and per week. Build I own strong in the customer base, and team following the example. English and communication. If customer is speaking English, speak simple English. Confidence, grammar. Otherwise you mix up Hindi and English. Example. Let me understand your our requirement. Yeah, my requirement first, right? That's enough. Grooming and personality. Dress sharp, energy high, risks straight, walk straight, talk clear, no complaining, right? Don't take risks your career because you are working in the banking sector. Only your energy high, walk straight and talk clear and no complaining. Fourth is about the senior area head role. I'm going forward in the senior area head in the banking sector is focus on CASA growth, insurance cross sell, in investment product, in team productivity ratio, and branch profitability. Like a think in the top management they see, your branch is grow and top management look in your revenue and the control and stability. Because if you any branch you join, you should be change branch revenue and branch structure, right? Fifth is final advice. My as a leader, final advice very important for the leader. Every please stop the trying to everyone in the perfect. Instead create your culture where right effort is compulsory, zero effort is not acceptable, right? Learning is continuous and leader is strongest pillar, right? I am not smaller branch leader, I am big branch leader. I'm future journal and regional and MD mindset system, right? But remember, strong leader and claims mind, clear system, daily follow-ups. If I want, I can, and it's a make a 30 days in the action and a plan for the senior area head. Make and the personally and upgrade and routine for MD and level of the presence. Guys, please you think if you are a leader, you think like a top management, like a MD, like a RBH, like a any please same field you should grow. करेक्ट गाइस, आपको ये टॉपिक अच्छा लगे प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिए ताकि मैं इम्प्रूव कर सकूं और आप लोगों को भी कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में, बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर में क्या क्या चीज़ें मुश्किलें होती हैं, क्या क्या चीज़ें हमें कम्युनिकेट करनी होती है, क्या क्या चीज़ें हमें ज़रूरत पड़ती है सीखने की। प्लीज़ यू लाइक करिएगा, कमेंट करिए ताकि मैं आप लोगों तक माइंड में सोच के ऐसे वीडियोस आप लोगों तक बना सकूं। ओके, थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।